All right, today is May 18th. It's gonna the week of May 18th. So what I just gonna go. What was that? I just fell. Mm. All right, so we're gonna go over some levels, some things I might be looking for, potential levels and ideas. All right, all right. So let's hop right in and also go over news and if there's any earnings, stuff like that. All right. So let's start with this here. I did my reflection for last week. So what I'm gonna reflect on. So continue moving. Stop loss to break even soon as I get a chance. That means that when the market gives me something that makes sense to move my stop loss to break even, I'm taking it. If the price starts to really start moving, I'm taking it. If price gives me like a wick on a candle, I'm taking it. If it breaks the structure, I'm taking it. Right. So I'm just that's it. Uh, and then only taking support and resistance levels for trades. All right, and then I'm meant to focus that I'm able to follow my rules. As I continue to follow my rules, I continue to find the best setups. As I continue to find the best setups, I continue to reduce my risk and increase my reward potential. As I continue to reduce my risk and increase my reward potential, I generate substantial income. Process creates progress. No, the process will create progress. All right. So these trades here, if I didn't take any of these trades, this is all the profit I would have had last week just on those two winning trades and then the two break-even trades. These trades did not fit my trading criteria at all. These five trades, so they really put a burden on my account. This would have been what I've been looking for. So, and then the same thing with the other weeks. All right, so that's that. All right, so first I'm gonna do is go over the economic calendar as much as I can. Let's pull this up here. I can close this, close that. Um, we'll get to that in a bit. Um, this is still for last week. This is the one that we need. All right, so this coming week we have does it look like we have a lot? Maybe news on Thursday, except for OMC speakers, so not really much. Might be a quiet week. Maybe we'll see Trump pop up in here without us knowing, but right now it's a quiet week. All right, let's look at earnings. Um, this one here. Um, I don't see anything. Yeah, I don't see anything. Quiet week. Interesting. So that's basically it. I don't see anything that pops up. Maybe this Chinese one, but Trump is trying to make well with Chinese. This might be Chinese or Japanese. I don't know what language this is. Probably Chinese or Japanese. It's Asian. Let's just say that. I guess auto parts are going out of business. At least from what I can see in my neighborhood, they're selling and closing out a lot of their shops. So, um, is that AAP? Let's look at it. It's been a straight downfall. Murder. All right. That's crazy. All right. Anyways, let's get to some levels. I didn't see anything else that I needed to see, so let's get into levels. Let's something like that. Boom. Still working with this. So we've been steadily grinding up, right? Stone by on that Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Not really much. Right, kind of just like holding up. Full hour. Right, I don't see anything. I don't see any support or resistance levels. Just absorption. This might be something in the 8 hour, maybe. The sell up I was looking for on Friday happened way after. Bounce off of this level. This level might be important. So, but I'll come back to it later. I'm gonna clear this up. 30 minute. Yeah, I see it's still look pretty keen right now. Gotta bounce off of it. Right, can't really make sense of this yet. Let's clear all of these up. That's the high. And this is the low. Like that. Alright. So that 30 minute, 1 hour is still here, right? It's still doing something. I'm sure price bounce the heck out of that. So we'll see what comes up of it. Again, it's still important, apparently. 15 minutes. Get rid of this. Don't think I have much to work with. 5 minute. 5 minute kind of broke out of that in here, but not much. Alright, so I ain't got much to really work with. 1 minute. Maybe we'll come back to this. And get rid of that. Alright, this here I do like. So, one resistance. That's about it. This one here, which we're trying to uncover. Alright, let's go to this one right here. Let's start with the week. Alright, cool. Day. Full hour. Okay. 1 hour. Alright, I can delete these. These can go. I'm gonna drag this out. I have no idea what these are. I'm gonna drag them out. This is a 1 hour level. We're still trying to figure it out. Probably gonna delete this 1 minute one. 30 minutes. And this one I like right here. Let's copy this. Drop it right there. And this is the low of the day. Alright. Got a full body over top. Put that like that. We got the 30 minute ABS resistance level right here. Alright. Alright, this is interesting, but we kind of broke through it. Don't know what exactly it's doing. And this one we kind of went all the way through. Got a 15 minute. Alright. Kind of hard to really understand that, but when we're gonna stick on the 30 minute. This level here can still hold. 5 minute. Really holding here. Let's mark that. Like that. Let's go back to the 15 minute. Probably see the same thing there. Yeah, so this gonna be a interesting level. Let's go to the 30 minute. Alright. Let's go to the 1 minute. Alright, I don't see anything else. Yeah, I don't see anything that's really sticking out. Broke through that. Might come back and retest that and drop lower. Yeah, that sell off I wanted from NQ happened way after the market closed, like way over here. Then it dropped. This is the sell off I wanted during the market session. I didn't trade it though. Alright, let's go to this one here. Alright, daily. Got a nice little bounce here, bounce here. Looks like we're trying to bounce again, right? 4 hour. 1 hour. I got that mark. 30 minute. Yeah, it's marked. Alright. Let's add the high and the low. Probably mostly the high. This has been doing its own thing. Lows right down here. Look at that. Back to the 4 hour. Let's see what the 4 hour looks like at that level. Mhm. 1 hour. Probably talking too much. Let's drag that out. 15, 30 minute. Alright, 15 minute. Let's see how that holds. minute. That's about it. I'm not gonna dig deep into that. Alright, let's put these side to side. This one here, let's block that off. Make sure this is showing me my setups. 4 hour. I didn't put the weekly in the daily yet. So let's put the weekly highs and lows. Alright, so this weekly high is here. This weekly low is there. This weekly high is here. Weekly low. Low. High. Day. On the day, we do like we want to sell off. 4 hour. Mm-hmm. 1 hour. Definitely breaking through. that's basically it. I'll play around these levels when they appear more during the session, but other than that, I don't really have any fresh levels. I don't really have any news or earnings, so it might be a quiet week, or it might just be levels a week that levels actually work out very well. It's not a Asian thing here and here and here and maybe this, maybe that one too. It's interesting. All right. Anyways, I'm out. Be back tomorrow morning. Hopefully, I'm feeling better. Oh, and here too. Sheesh. And right here.